If you're trying to launch Palworld and you're getting the error message, corrupt data found, please verify your installation. Then this tutorial will show you exactly how to fix the problem. Make sure you follow each step carefully, because this issue is usually caused by outdated mod files or corrupted game files. Before we begin, let's quickly understand why this error appears. For many players, the most common cause is leftover mods that are no longer compatible with the current version of Palworld. After a game update, old mod files can conflict with the latest game files, causing the game to display the corrupt data found message during startup. Fortunately, the fix is quite simple. Let's start by removing the old mods. If you know where Palworld is installed, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Now navigate to your Steam installation folder. For most users, the default location is Program Files, OX86, greater than Steam, greater than Steam Apps, greater than Common, greater than Palworld. Once you're inside the Palworld folder, open the Pal folder. Next, open Content, then open Packs. Inside the Packs folder, you'll find another folder called Mods. Open the Mods folder and delete every file inside it. If you've installed multiple mods, make sure all of them are removed before continuing. If you're not sure where Palworld is installed, there's an easier way to find the folder. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Palworld, then right-click on it. Select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Steam will automatically open your Palworld installation folder. From there, open Pal, then Content, then Packs, and finally the Mods folder. Delete everything inside the Mods folder. After removing the mods, the next step is to verify your game files. Go back to Steam. Right-click Palworld again and choose Properties. Select the Installed Files tab. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait until the verification process finishes completely. Once it's done, launch Palworld again and check whether the error has disappeared. For many players, deleting outdated mods and verifying the game files completely fixes the corrupt data found. Please verify your installation error. If you plan to install mods again in the future, make sure they are updated and compatible with the latest version of Palworld before adding them back to the game. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you solve the problem.